Go through your storage units. Donate. You probably end up giving away 90% of what's in a storage unit. Give it to somebody who needs it. Stop hoarding it because you can't part with it or you don't have the time or want to go through it. How much are you paying every month for the stuff to be sitting in a storage unit somewhere? Gotta get rid of it. I work with people who have lost someone in their lives, and for years and years, they won't part with something.
The one thing that was difficult was what I wanted to take of my husband and what I'd wanted to give away. I didn't want to give anything away of his. I felt like I was leaving part of him if I gave stuff away and I brought it with me, and I was leaving part of him actually when I did leave the house.
Almost everybody wants a piece of somebody that they've lost, something that they can have. Don't keep it boxed up in your basement or in a storage unit. Give it to someone in the family.